Linking your bank account to Agoda is a straightforward process that allows you to manage payments and transactions easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Agoda account. Visit the Agoda website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment settings or payment method section, which is usually found in the account menu. Step 3. Select a bank account. In the payment settings section, find the option to add a new payment method. Click on Add Bank Account to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details. This typically includes your account number, bank name, and any other requested information. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to your Agoda account, making future transactions more convenient.